Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today I am going to discuss on mode of group of data with an example. Okay students, today I am going to discuss on mode of group of data. So in the previous video I have explained on mode of ungroup of data, right? So means I have taken we have taken certain observations, and in that which is the most frequency observation that becomes a mode, right? But now in this video I'm going to explain on mode of the group of data. Means they will be having a class intervals with frequency column, right? So let's discuss with the formula, students, here. So formula for finding the model class of group of data is, this is the formula. So mode is denoted by capital Z. Okay, so L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. These formulas are very important, students, and even they may ask question to elaborate, and you have to explain the each and every term, every value in the formula. So this is also expected question in exam. Okay, so try to learn formulas and also the explanation part, right? So this is a formula. Z equal to mode equal to Z equal to L plus f0 minus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay students, where L is the lower boundary of the model class. Okay, and where is h is nothing but the size of the class interval or height of the class interval. Both are same. And f1 is the frequency of the model class, and f0 is the frequency of the model class preceding the model class. Okay, frequency of the class preceding the model class. Okay students, and f2 is the frequency of the succeeding frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Okay, okay students, for exam point of view you have to go through all the formulas. Sorry, we have to go through all the formulas along with the explanation part, students. So these type of questions are also expected in exam. Okay, so take down the formula and elaborate each and every term in the formula that indicates. Okay students, now coming to example, students, here I have given an example. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by the group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the name of the family members in a household. Okay, so they gave a class interval and also a number of family students in the given data. We have to find the mode of the data. Okay, we have to find the mode of the data. But see, I want to tell you one thing. In the previous video, that means we have completed the mean of group of data, right? For mean of group of data classified into three types, right? It can be solved in direct method and assumed mean method, and also step deviation method, isn't it? So whenever the data is given in terms of class interval and number of frequency, or sorry, class interval and a frequency, then how many columns needed for direct method, and how many columns needed for step deviation method, and how many columns needed for assumed mean method, we have seen already in the previous videos, right? But coming to mode, students, we no need to take any extra column, students. Whatever the data is given in this, what is the data is given with the class interval and frequency, we have to take as it is. Okay, let me check here. In the given data, okay students, what is the highest frequency here? 8 is the highest frequency, right? So this row becomes a model class. This row becomes a model class. Among that, what is the class interval given here? 3 to 5, right? Among 3 to 5, you have to what is the lower limit here? 3 is the lower limit. Okay, and take down all the values here. Here 8 is the highest frequency, so that becomes f1. Okay, and the preceding value becomes f0. Whatever the highest frequency is there, that above one, nothing but the preceding one becomes f0, the succeeding one becomes 2, students. Okay, so these are needed for finding mode, right? So L we need, F0, F1 we need, F0, F2, and also size of the class interval. What is the size of the class interval here? What is the difference between lower limit and upper limit here? 2. So that is the height of the class interval, students. Okay. After taking all the values I have mentioned here, see here, in the given data, maximum frequency is 8, so that the corresponding row becomes a frequency class for the model class 3 to 5. That only I explained here, right? So which is highest frequency here, that becomes a model class of the given data. Then after taking all the data, okay, here I have taken lower limit is 3, height of the class interval is 2, F1, the frequency of model class is 8, F0. You have to take down all the nodes, students. You have to mention the presentation should be like this. Okay. Then after taking all the values from the given data, from the given group of data, substitute the values in the given formula. What is given here? So Z equal to mod L plus F0 minus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So substitute the values. Lower limit L is 3. Okay. L is 3. I have mentioned here. L is 3. Okay. Then F1 is 8. Okay. F1 is 8. F0 is 7. Okay. And F2 is 2. So substitute all the values in the formula and simplify, students. What we get? So 3 you take as it is. So this becomes 8 minus 7 is 1. This is 16 minus 9 into 2. So this becomes 1 by 7 into 2. It becomes 2 by 7. So 3 write as it is. 2 by 7 to convert into decimal part, you will get 0.28, students. Okay. Then if you add that 3 plus decimal part, you will get 3.28. Okay. That will be the mode of the given data. Okay, students. And verification, how can we check verification for finding any group of data? Whenever we are finding any central tendency like mean, median, mode, median we did not discuss it till now. We'll discuss in the further videos, future videos. Okay. So how can we identify whether your answer is correct or wrong? Okay. So see, whatever we got the answer here, this will lie in this range, students. Whatever the highest frequency is there, your answer should lie in this range 3 to 5. We got 3.28, right? So this lies definitely in this range only. Therefore, the result is correct. Okay. Okay. Go through this sum, students, and practice this type of models. And if there are any doubt is there, you can comment me in my video. Okay. And one more